Please, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to our channel and turn all notifications on so you can receive the latest updates about the videos. Thank you.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm going to show you in this video how you can pair Huawei Watch GT2 to an iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure you restart the Huawei. You reset it, and for that you would unpair it from any other phones that is connected, because it will only support one connected phones at a time. So after the reset is done, what will happen, this will come up, a pairing. Okay, it will tell you to download Huawei Health on your phone, and you go to your phone, and download Huawei Health, and do the registration, create an ID, an account and everything. Then once you finish with that, you load your application. Is going to be something like this from the start. Then press on devices, on top add device, smartwatch, so Huawei Watch GT2 series. Press, it will automatically pick this up. You press and connect. Now it will tell you to go to setting on the phone, which you have to go in here. Okay, go to Bluetooth, and this would come up. You connect it in here, then you accept on your Huawei. Now it's connected. You go back to the application and you press next and pair. So now it will send. Okay, now you accept it on your phone as well. Allow, then allow while using, auto download update, and done. Okay, so simple as that. Then from here you can customize your Huawei watch. The amazing thing about this Huawei watch is it has a very long life battery. You only need to charge it like every 2 weeks, which on Apple Watch, the one I had, I just got rid of, to be honest, which I had to charge it up every 2 days. And this one is going to last you 14 days at least, depending on how you use it. It may last you even longer than that. So yeah, all notifications will kick in. You do all the settings in here. So this will show you all the things: workout, sports activity record, sleep, and all notifications will come through. Okay, so now that is connected, as you could see, and all the notifications will kick in slowly. Just be patient with it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.